Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert clapping hands sign in Word. So this is very easy and simple method. So first you need to click on insert, now click on symbol, now click on more symbols, now font select this one and character code is 1F44F. You see this clapping hand symbol will be showing, so just click on insert. You see this will be typing. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.